So we have seen a lot of evolution around big data. So what do you think the CIO should look at when having a good real-time data platform?
Yeah, what we see out there is, there are a lot of data platforms. But when it comes to real-time data platform, you want to look at four key attributes. One is, can the data platform actually provide predictable performance at any scale? So you may start your journey at a very low data set, but as you grow and you become more and more successful with your service, your data set will grow. The performance should not go down. The second is, can it provide very low latency, or at least the lowest latency? Third is high availability. The platform needs to be highly available all the time. And the fourth thing is really the TCO, or the total cost of ownership. Does it get really expensive as you scale, as more users start using the platform? Because we see it again and again that you start your journey with a particular platform and it starts getting expensive as you start serving more users. So you're actually losing money as you get more users onto the platform. So these four attributes are really, really important as you kind of start building or looking at a real-time data platform, because replatforming is very expensive. So you don't want to do that. You want to take your time and decide the choice of the real-time data platform.
I think that's very true. But when it comes to new type of technologies coming on board, I'm sure that you also have a lot of things on board in which you are going to invest in, and you are looking forward to have more future towards too. So what are those?
Yeah, so we get guided by our customers. So, for example, for a long part of our journey, we built out the data platform with a lot of resilience, with a lot of high availability, and a lot of scale and predictable performance, as I mentioned. And what we want to do next is really provide for our customers to bring all kinds of applications and use cases onto our platform. So today we support key value data stores. We just announced earlier this year support for documents, because there's a huge opportunity where document formats are used across industries and the current approaches don't scale and they're not highly available. We are working on a graph solution, highly scalable graph solution that can be used for identity graphs, customer profiles, fraud analysis. So that is in beta right now. It'll be available in GA shortly next year. And then eventually we'll also bring in time series, so that you can capture IoT edge data or any kind of time series data, so that it doesn't matter. You go with Aerospike, you can basically decide what use case you want to do, what application you want to do. You can build it on a single platform. No need to reskill your team.